trying not to slurp my basil and tomato soup at George's Café Llangollen in Cymraeg, Wales. Cymraeg is Wales, and I learnt some better pronunciation of Cymraeg. Cymraeg is the Welsh language, it means Welsh. Diolch in fawr is thank you very much. Diolch in fawr. The F pronounced like a V. Anyway, I was saying it like an F. It's V. Diolch in fawr. There we are. F-A-W-R is much. There we go. Well, George's Cafe. There we go. Vegan food here. Vegan lattes. They do the best. Yes, they do. And then I shall be on the video too. For a thing called a reel. Then there is a community Christmas lunch on Christmas Day in Llangollen. Llangollen, can you hear that? It's a bit guttural. Yes, that is a vegan dog. Vegan chi. Vegan ki. Vegan is vegan in Welsh, and ki is dog. Kin is dogs. King without the G for king, even though dogs are king. Oh yes. Dada, yes, in Welsh is dada, which da is actually Welsh in Russian too. That's useful to know, isn't it? Well, oh yes. I've just been to the mountain shop and got myself some fantastic cooking gear. Oh, fantastic. They'd sold out of the best fleeces I wanted, but never mind. That is unbelievable. Kelly kettle. It's a 100-year-old design, apparently. Yes. Fantastic. What things you find. Specialities and quality in Wales it is. There is beautiful. There is. Vegan key. Vegan dog.